Welcome back to Tasty Thursdays. This is Mama Acres, and we're ready to bake you up some pan skillet chicken fajitas for a simple dinner that you're gonna love. So here we go with our ingredients that we already have prepared and ready to go. We now have our peppers, which is red, green, orange, and yellow, and our 4 to 5 pieces of good sized chicken already sliced up and ready, and our 2 cups of cheese, which I use cheddar. If you want to use any other varieties, you're more than welcome to. We have 10 flour shells, and then we also have 1 good size onion chopped up, and then we also have 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then we also have 2 tablespoons of good tasting fajita seasoning and just a little bit of salt for tasting. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by taking our bell peppers and just basically dumping them on our pan, spreading them out. Then we're going to take our onions, spread them out, kind of mix them all up. We're going to take this over here. We're going to take our chicken, put that on there. I'm going to spread that out, kind of stir it around. Mix it up just a little bit. Then we're going to start with our olive oil and then get our fajita seasoning and our salt. This is 3 tablespoons. Pour that all over. Sprinkle our fajita seasoning all over. And then a little bit of salt for taste. Set that aside. And then we're going to mix this all up. It's really quick, simple, easy. After you get this all mixed up, we're going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees at first. Bake this for 20 minutes, and then we'll see you after that. Alright, I'll pop this right in there. We're getting ready to take out our chicken fajitas from the 20 minutes, and we're going to use safety today so that way we don't burn ourselves. Whew. Here we go. See? Nicely done. We're going to set this nicely right here. And close our oven up. Set that right there on the side. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to prepare this pan with our flour tortillas. What I did, I got this pan with some olive oil already spread on it, and then we're going to take 9 shells. We're going to overlap these. just so. Nine flour shells right here, 7 here. And then we're going to take our tongs. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our cheese. We're going to spread that out, about half of the cheese. And then we're going to take our tongs and we're going to transfer this, the chicken, along with all the good. I'm going to take a top holder here. I'm going to hold that pan. Spread that out. There we go. Oh, this smells so good. If you love just a quick meal at home, this is something perfect that you can come home on a summer evening and just love and dip into. All right. Sometimes if you can't get all of those, take a spatula. Get the rest of that. All right, now we want to take the rest of our chicken, or I'm sorry, excuse me, the rest of our cheese. Spread that around. And then we're going to take our other tortillas, lay them there. Then we're going to take this here. Fold that up, and then, so since we've got it all folded up now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pan that we cooked the chicken on, and I'm going to take and put it on top of this, press that down real good, and it's going to make sure that stays all nicely folded, and it will crisp up the top of your flour tortillas. And we're going to put it back in the oven for an additional 30 minutes at 350. All right, it's time to take this baby out. Oh, It smells so wonderful. And always remember safety. Let's take that off of there. Oh, it's so golden and good. Now it's time to cut in. It's nice and crunchy. Love to hear that crunch. Now that we're done cutting and we've plated up our food, we're ready to dive in. Now tune in for our next video for our dessert to see how we do our hot fudge chocolate pudding cake. Can't wait to see you then. Bye.
This is where